Hi again, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hair Design Spain. As you see, I'm here in Vivian Hair Design. Yes, I have here with me
I'm Lynn. I'm from England and I live here in Spain.
Yes, this is Lynn and she's from England and she's here for color. We are filming totally the style. So we just got a cup here and went a very nice coffee style. We will show you later. So Lynn, do you want to say anything?
Yes, I'm really looking forward to your design.
Oh, thank you very much, Lynn. So we will see you later. Now we are here back. As you see, we're going to show you how to style this here. Very easy style and nice, lovely bob, right? We're going to start. With the styling of the hair, when it comes to hair. So this is the result from the style. As you see, I have here with me Lynn from England. We just styled the hair with hand. You're going to turn your chair. You can turn the chair so you can see the style is lovely, nice, easy to wear, and very, very fast to style the hair, and beautiful, nice, last fashion style 2016. As you see, nice color, it's beautiful, very, very light, don't feel color. This is very natural, and this is the last fashion 2016 hairstyle. So we have here Lynn from
England.
Yes, Lynn, do you want to say anything to everybody there in the ward?
I do, yes. It's a lovely colour. It's a wonderful, fashionable style that I've got, which I'm very happy with. And I should do that.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So this is Lynn again, and this is the last fashion what we had did for her 2016. As you see, we put her lovely, nice, beautiful colored hair, and this is the last hair crop we had did for her. As you see, I'm turning the chair so you can see we styled her hair in just 5 minutes. A lovely, nice style and easy to wear. This is the color we had, and so Lynn, I really like your style, and this is an easy to manage. Yes, so do you like it, Lynn, your hair?
I do, Amal, yes. It's very, very nice. It's a nice colour. I love it, and the style is just stylish, easy to manage, as you've said. Thank you so much. I'll be back.
Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.